Infinix is reportedly working on its 5G smartphone. Now, a fresh report by XDA Developers has reviewed key details of the smartphone along with some live shots. It is speculated to debut as a Zero series smartphone. Now, the leaked images shared by the publication shows that the Infinix handset is supposedly going to feature a punch hole display with a noticeable chin. Now, the rear shell of the device has a glossy look and it houses a triple camera setup. The publication, which is XDA Developers, claims that the Infinix 5G phone is likely to be equipped with an LCD panel, which seems to support a 120Hz refresh rate, and while the display is flat, the handset has curved edges. The handset is set to be powered by the Dimensity 900 chipset. The rear camera setup of the phone is speculated to feature a 48-megapixel main camera with 30x zoom. The publication did not share any other information on the specs of the device. It can't be said, though, based on recent reports, that the handset may break cover with Infinix's Zero 5G moniker. YouTube channel Tech Arena has shared some details of the smartphone last month. The leak claimed that the device has a 6.67-inch AMOLED FHD Plus 120Hz display and a 16-megapixel camera on the front. Now, under the hood, the Dimensity 900 chipset is coupled with 8 gigs of RAM and a 5,000 mAh battery capacity, which supports 33 watts fast charge. The device is likely to run on Android 11 or 12 and 128 GB of internal storage. When it comes to pricing, we haven't seen or heard anything so far about the expected price for the Infinix handset. But hey, no need to worry. Anytime there's an update on this device, you will be notified on the channel. And as such, do make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss it, and leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it. I am Delpy, and I hope to see you in another one. Stay safe. I'm out. Should I be saying macrame or I should be saying I'm out? Not slave trade. Slave trade. If I really focus on the fact that it's slave trade, I wouldn't have read this thing in English. I would have probably read it in trade. And they made that kind of trade. Information now you leak in the chest. They look at me the broadcast or something.